Hello students, today we are going to discuss about Kirchhoff law, some shortcuts to do the very critical problems like circuits. Okay, for that we need to remember some basic things. So we are going to see now. For that we need to get this small information, that is, suppose if you take any cell which is at higher potential and the lower potential VA and VB. So VA minus VB, higher potential minus lower potential, will give you positive because bigger minus smaller. Suppose if you go opposite also, you will get negative, that is lower potential minus higher potential, you will get a negative. Suppose that current is going in, suppose in this direction in the resistor. So consider always in the resistor current goes from higher potential to lower potential. Consider opposite also we can consider, but we need to take minus. Okay, but we will remember only one direction. So when you go in this plus and minus, this is a high potential and this is a low potential. So VA minus VB is equal to IR, and like this also we can remember. That means whenever this potential goes inside, some potential drop will come. That is called potential drop. And when you go opposite, gain. So potential drop method, gain method, some people will say. Okay, but I am saying to remember this alone. VA minus VB is equal to IR when you take like this. Okay, this one you remember, children, and this one, because bigger minus smaller you will get the positive. And now suppose if we connect any cell to the resistor, discharge will happen. So V is equal to E minus IR, because here the potential drop is compulsory less than E. Less than E. So how much times less than? That is IR minus IR. So I is equal to E minus V by R. So using these three basic things, we can solve now this type of problems. Okay, general trick I am saying now, general trick anywhere we can use, no problem. If it is a 3 loop, 2 loop, single loop na, the last class I have told which is clockwise, which is anti-clockwise, you have to select it. Okay, and then you have to start the entire current. But now for this I'll take the formula we have to find out now. 3 cells are there here, 3 cells are there, so that we need to find out the common potential first. The common potential we need to take formula E by R, sigma E by R by sigma 1 by R. Okay, so V is equal to E1 by R1, E1 by R1, E2 by R2 and E3 by R3 by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, that is E1 by R1, E2 by R2, E3 by R3. Either it may be internal resistance also, no problem. Internal resistance also, no problem. By divided by 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Like this, if you find out the common potential. And now we need to calculate, suppose in this current I1 and I2 and I3. We have a formula of I is equal to E minus V by R, where E is called given voltage, V is called common potential, and R the corresponding resistance. So I is equal to, suppose I1 I have to find out, I1 is equal to E1 minus V by R, 1. Like this, in this branch we can find out the current, in this branch we can find out the current, like this, in this branch by using this very easy formula. I1 is equal to E1 minus V by R1. So from this I will take this example now. Now we will consider this circuit, okay, which is in the format of this general trick. Okay, and now in this there is no E2, where E2 is present here, there is no E2 in this, and we have to find out I2 in this circuit, which is flowing through the 8 ohm resistor. We have to find out. Okay, first to find the common potential, V is equal to E1 by R1, 8 by 4 plus no E2, so 6 by 6, E3 by R3, 1 by 4, 3 resistors, 1 by R1, 1 by R2, 1 by R3, 1 by 8, 1 by 6, 4 by 2, 1, so 3 by, this is 24 LCM, and 6 plus 3 and 4, and you will get a V is equal to 3 by 9, 13, and we can take by 24. Okay, 24 by 13. And we got like this. And now I is equal to, I2 is equal to E2, because we need to use this formula, E2. That is, E2 is not there here. So minus V we have to substitute here. 3 into 24 by 13 by R1. What is this one? 8. So when you solve this one, 8 3s are. So minus 9 by 13 ampere. So very easily, no need to calculate what is I1, what is I2, taking two equations and solving that one. So just simply by using this trick, we can easily find out which branch current. Sometimes they'll use here, they'll keep on ammeter here, what is ammeter reading in that. Like that is, we can easily find the current. Okay, next we'll see these models now. In this model, we need to find out, only we have a one internal resistance they have given now. In this 1 ohm is internal resistance and 18 volts and 12 volts. I already told, if it is internal resistance also, we can use that formula. Okay, and we need to find out only the common potential. That means there is no resistance here, but the internal resistance they have given. Okay, don't think only the resistance, only the internal resistance also we can use it. So common potential, what is the formula? V is equal to sigma E by R by sigma 1 by R. So now we can use the common potential. There is nothing here. Okay, so that V is equal to 18 by 2, 12 by 1, 12 by 1 by 1 by no resistance here. So 1 by 2 plus 1. So V is equal to 9 plus 12, 21 by 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So 14 volts. Easily we can calculate. Okay. E1 R1 plus E2 R2 cells parallel, same formula only. Okay. But easy trick. Okay. Speed. We need to get a very answer in less time. That's why. And now in this, we need to find out the current in 30 ohms. But here if you see here opposite polarity. My formula is same polarity already, previous problem. Now this is opposite polarity. For this what you have to do now, which is bigger? Which is bigger? So V is equal to bigger 80 by 40. 80 by 40 minus 40 by 40. Minus, because of opposite polarity, minus 1 by 30, 1 by 40, 1 by 40. So V is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 by 30, 2 by 40. And solve this one and solve this one, and I is equal to, in this branch you want so E minus, but E is not there here. So E plus we can keep 0. So E minus V, this answer, then just take LCM, no problem, and by R. So that is 0 minus, no EMF, minus, and how much answer is coming? Divided by 30. Okay, you will get a negative answer, no problem. Current, they'll give it in minus also answer. Okay, so that is battery is not there, and opposite polarity. Okay, and now we'll go for this one. In this, again 3 cells are there. First general trick formula, here only 2, here only 2, here again 3. And we need to find out here ampere, that is ammeter current, that is the current in that branch you have to find out, AB. But there is no resistance here. That means there is no EMF here and there is no resistance here. That model set. So for that models, what you have to do, we'll see now. For that models, actually in our formula resistance is not there, so we will not get any formula. Suppose in this branch, if you want to find out I is equal to E minus V by R, R is not there. And R is not there, how we can find out in this branch current? So R0 will come, so that enter 0. So 0 is the current in that. That's why now we can take same formula only like this. So same formula only. This is 4 ohms. We need to take I is equal to, because of everything same, I is equal to E. E means 2 only. But this is an opposite polarity. And opposite polarity minus 2. What is about this one? V is the common potential. Find out the common potential. V is equal to V is equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus there is no resistor here. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1. And this is 1 by 2. So you get 2 volts. So we got this. So Y E minus I is equal to E minus V by R. So what is E? Minus 2 because it is in opposite direction. Minus what is common potential? 2. And we need to use R effective between these two alone. Because there is no resistance here. For this type of problems, we need to take the parallel combination of this one. That is R effective of these two resistors. That is, we need to use a 4 plus, that is 4 is in parallel. So 4 plus 4, the 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, you will get a 2 ohms here. 4 by 2. So 2 ohms you will get a. So 2 ohms you will get a minus 2 ampere. So in this it shows 2 ampere current. Because nothing is very easily also we can find out that is no potential. There is no change in potential to drop. No resistor. How much is there? No internal resistance also. So that the 2 volts is there, 2 amperes will come. No internal resistance, no external resistance. So the 2 volts is there, 2 ampere will come. Straight away we can complete it. But I am using this formula. And same model only, but we have to rearrange in our style. Same, no need to rearrange. How we can? First we need to find out common potential. V is equal to, but here again opposite polarity. Opposite polarity. So 9 minus 9 by 2 resistance is there here. 2 resistance is there. But 9 by, both of them are in series. So 9 by 5, 9 by 5 minus, because this is an opposite. 6 by 3. 9 by 5, 6 by 3 by 1 by 5, because this is together R1, 1 by 5, and this is 1 by 1, 1 only, and 1 by 3. 1 by 5, 1, 1 by 1, 1, 1 by 3. So solve this one. 9 by 5 minus 2 by 15 LCM. 15 LCM, 3 plus 15 plus 5. So minus, sorry, 1. 10 minus 1. Minus 1 by, minus 1 by, minus 1 is coming here. And 23 by 15. 23 by 15 by 5 also is here. 1 minute. Minus 10. So minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 by 23 into 15. So minus 3 by 23. Minus 3 by 23. So what is the voltage here? Minus 23 by voltage is the common potential. And now I is equal to, in this branch we need to find out the current. In this branch. So E minus V by R. I is equal to, what is E? There is no battery in this branch. There is no cell in this branch. So 0 and minus of minus plus common potential is 3 by 23. 3 by 23 by R is what? That is how much is there? Same only. So 0.13 ampere. JEE Mains 2015 question. Mains 2015 question. Next model, if you see the next model, same. It's a single loop model like yesterday's single loop model. One is in clockwise direction, this battery, and this is in anti-clockwise direction. So who is going to win here? That is anti-clockwise win. Anti-clockwise. The final current, that is the total voltage is now 8 minus 4. So 4 volts. The 4 volts is in which direction finally? Okay, for that we need to find out I is equal to V by R. V by R, the resultant voltage is 4 volts. V by R, 4 by, what is the total ohms? That is 9, 11 and 12. 9, 11, 12. So 1 by 3. The 1 by 3 ampere will go in this. That 1 by 3 ampere in which direction will go? Anti-clockwise direction. That anti-clockwise direction, because this is the more amount. That anti-clockwise will come like this. What is the ampere here? 1 by 3. Here also 1 by 3. But we need to find out Vp minus Vq. Like yesterday's model, last class model, Vp minus Vq. We need to go in this direction. Okay, when you go in this direction, the current is coming in this direction. So when in this direction, we need to select, because current direction we need plus and minus. Current is going like this, anti-clockwise. It is coming like this. So, and coming like this now, plus and minus, and this is plus and minus, and this is plus and minus, because higher potential to lower potential, it is coming like this. But they told to calculate Vp minus, we need to go like this. Opposite, that is 1 by 3 potential drop, Ohm's law, minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 1. Why minus there? Opposite. We are going like this. We are going in like this right direction. And now this is also minus plus. So minus 4. But this is plus minus in that direction, our own direction. That is plus 8. And again this is also opposite. This is also opposite. Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. And solve this one, you will get the answer. Okay. And now this model, this is Abhyasa model. That is, again here also they have given the direction so that this is plus and minus, minus plus, plus and minus. Because they already decided the arrow mark. They already decided the arrow mark. So that in that direction we need to keep the resistance plus and minus. Okay. Plus and minus we need to keep in that. You see this is the arrow mark. I am keeping plus and minus, plus and minus. Battery already general I am keeping. Okay. And now 3 ampere is going in this. Now Vp minus Vq is equal to, we need to find out Vp minus Vq. This is opposite is there. Our going direction opposite is there. This is same. So 3 into, this is 3 volts, 3 into 1 minus, plus 3, because same direction, plus 3, minus 3, 3 into 1, plus 3, next this also, plus 18, 3 into 6, because current, when it goes inside, potential drop, Ohm's law, IR, cancel, easy you get 18 volts. Okay, like this we can calculate. Looks like simple, we need lot of practice. Listen, okay, twice to listen, twice to practice. Okay, simple circuits. Next topic we'll go for Wheatstone bridge. Okay, like that you can solve some problems, some circuits. Okay, NEET level enough. So Wheatstone bridge. There are two types of bridge we can take. One is balanced bridge. Next one is unbalanced bridge. Suppose if you take R1, R2, R3, R4, A and B. The bridge is balanced. Suppose R1 by R2, this ratio is equal to R3 by R4. So that potential VA is equal to VB. Here potential same. Suppose bridge is unbalanced. That type of bridge they will only need problems. Unbalanced. That is R1 by R2 is not equal to R3 by R4. That is they are not equal. They are not equal. Unbalanced bridge. They are not equal. At the time, which is more potential, which is high potential? Because here potential are same when the bridge is balanced. But which is high potential, which is low potential? Which ratio is less? Suppose I am taking here 4 and 2, 1 and 3. Okay, 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. And here 1 by 3. So this ratio 1 by 3, this ratio is less. Where the ratio is less, their potential will be more. So that you will get the direction like this. They will ask the current direction, otherwise potential difference from where to where, which is high. So where the ratio will be less, there we need a more potential. So more potential is at B. So VB minus VA. VB minus VA. Otherwise current goes from B to A. Like that we will give the directions B to A. So how to decide this one? Which ratio is having low ratio. At the time you will get the more potential. So here this 1 by 3 This 1 by 3 is having low potential. Okay, sorry, low ratio. Low ratio, high potential. Low ratio, high potential. Okay, by using this, we'll see one problem, sir. Now we'll see some circuits in Wheatstone bridge model. In this, it's actually balanced bridge. Easily we can find out that. That is 3 by 4, 2 3s are 2 4s are. So 3 by 4, 3 by 4, bridge is balanced. Otherwise 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Like this also you can divide. This is 3 by 6, 1 by 2, 4 by 8, 1 by 2. So that there is no current in this ammeter because the bridge is balanced. Potentials are same. At this potentials are same. But bridge is unbalanced. That is only matter. Bridge is unbalanced. Okay, when bridge is unbalanced, what shall we do? We need to find out Vx minus Vi. Vx minus Vi. They told to find out Vx minus Vi. So that if you see here current, they are already given. So how much current is entering? 2 ampere, leaving 2 ampere. So that in this branch, 1 ampere will go. In this branch, 1 ampere will go. These two of them are in series. And these two of them are in series. Okay. When the current goes like this, which direction? We need to keep plus and minus. So plus and minus, plus and minus. Current goes in, current goes in like this. Current goes in like this. So plus and minus, plus and minus. Now we need to calculate I'm rubbing because clumsy. Okay, this is plus and minus and this is plus and minus. Now we need Vx minus Vi. That means we need to come like this. We need to come like this. So in this 1 ampere is there, in this 1 ampere is there. I am coming opposite. Because this is minus plus. Vx I am starting, Vy I am ending. So 2 into 1 minus 2 because opposite direction. 2 into 1 2 minus 2 because opposite, and 3 into 1 plus 3, that is 1 volt. This is 3 into 1. This is 2 into 1. Going, you are coming like this. You are coming like this. That's right. Simple technique. And now this is extension of Wheatstone bridge. Extension of Wheatstone bridge, how we can decide? Equal number, that is 5 by 10, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this will be cancelled. 1 by 2, 15 by 30, 1 by 2. This will be cancelled. 5, 10, 15 series. So how much will come? 30. 10, 20, 30 series. 60. Both of them are parallel. Parallel R1, R2 by R1 plus R2. Solve this one, you will get. Simple. Like this only enough. Complicated will be there. I already some clue I have given. Okay. And now this is Kirchhoff current law. Because usually very easy problems only. But I feel this is maximum. Okay. And now we need to find out the current in 10 ohms. For that we need to take, this is suppose I1, I2, because they didn't give the current directions, we need to get the closing junction. They are coming to the junction. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. We need to find out this, how much current. I1 we need to find out. I1. So I1 is equal to, we need to find V1 by R1, E2 by R2, and V3, E3 minus V by R3 is equal to 0. From this find out the common potential. Common potential by substituting the values. Common potential we need to find out. That is 10 minus V by 10, because this is V. 10 minus V by 10 plus 6 minus V by 20. 5 minus V. This is a junction, I am taking V. Okay. 5 minus V by 30 is equal to 0. When you solve this one, you will get 8 volts. Okay, for the time sake. And now I1 is equal to, I1 we need to find out, E1 V minus R, 10 minus, what is V common potential? 8. What is R? 10. 2 by 10, 0.2 ampere. Like this we can solve the Kirchhoff laws, circuits. Okay, practice well. Okay, and all the best for your practice. Thank you.